today I want to review on this washing machine that I purchased at Amazon. This washing machine, my son broke the lid, but this washing machine is pretty good. So I bought this at Amazon. I'll link the purchase below. So this is how I wash my clothes. I like to put it at large. Wait, I didn't even turn on the... You basically connect it with the faucet. And look. I love this washing machine. And let's start washing. So I basically like to put one pod first inside, and this is the pile of clothes that I need to wash. So I will be putting them all in. So this is the washing machine washing. I do own a space downstairs where we will go downstairs and actually wash clothes, but I think it's very convenient for me to wash at home. So this is how it washes. And yeah, I like to buy Tide Pods. Never mind this. We were painting yesterday. I like to buy Tide Pods because at least it keeps the amount of, the perfect amount of detergent. Unlike me, if I use liquid, I will pour the whole thing. So Tide Pods is a must for me to own. And yeah, it leaves the clothes smelling good, and I love it. So this is how the water drains. Yeah. So right now, it's not spinning. So what it does, it drains the water first, and then it spins it. So the moment it's spinning, but I won't be able to open the door because then it will stop. So this is my little laundry, my little washing machine. It's little. Now it's rinsing away, but you see all those bubbles. It's because when it spins, it squeezes the clothes and all the bubbles go on tight. Right now it's on its last wash. This is the last wash, and once that is done, I'll show you how it spins, how well it spins, leaving your clothes pretty dry. And yeah. So this is my little personal portable washer from Amazon. So this is like the end result of the clothes. Look how dry it leaves it. It leaves it so dry. But I dried it with... So the clothes is already done. Look how dry it leaves the clothes. Very dry. OMG. It does a very good job. It washes it very well. And yeah. So that is my review. This is my review for my Amazon portable washer. How cool is that?